Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the Tuisau J10, a 3-channel 4K dash-cam system that promises total vehicle coverage, smart connectivity, and serious safety features. If you're a rideshare driver, road tripper, or just want peace of mind behind the wheel, stay tuned because this one might be a game-changer. Let's start with the camera setup. The J10 is a triple-channel dash cam, meaning it captures footage from the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle. The front camera records in 4K or 2.5K depending on the configuration, while the inside and rear cameras both record in 1080p. That means you're covered from every angle with crisp, high-definition video, day or night. The front lens also has a wide 170-degree field of view, and the rear offers 120 degrees, minimizing blind spots effectively. If you're only interested in recording the front and interior or front and rear, you can unplug the unused camera and the front will automatically upgrade to full 4K resolution. This flexibility makes it perfect for tailoring your setup depending on your driving needs. Whether you're monitoring passengers or protecting yourself from rear-end collisions, the J10 has you covered. Now let's talk connectivity. This dashcam features built-in 5GHz Wi-Fi and is fully controlled through the Viador app, available on both Android and iOS. Once connected, you can instantly preview live footage, download videos, and manage your settings, all from your phone. And sharing videos to platforms like YouTube or Facebook, it's quick and effortless. Plus, the camera comes preloaded with a 64GB SD card, so you're ready to record straight out of the box. Night vision on the J10 is impressive. It uses advanced imaging tech to capture clear video even in low light or no light conditions. So if you're driving at night or your car is parked on a dark street, you'll still get detailed footage. Speaking of parking, the J10 also offers 24-hour parking mode. When enabled, the camera starts recording automatically upon detecting any vibration or impact. This is ideal for hit-and-runs or attempted break-ins while your car is unattended. Just note, you'll need an ACC hardwire kit to unlock this mode, which is sold separately. If you're unsure how to set that up, Tuisau's customer support is available to guide you. Safety features don't stop there. The built-in G sensor detects sudden movements like collisions and locks the current footage to prevent it from being overridden. This is crucial if you need to provide evidence after an incident. And thanks to loop recording, you don't have to worry about running out of space. Old footage is automatically replaced with new recordings unless it's been saved as an emergency file. Installation is user-friendly. Tuisau includes tutorial videos, and the design is compact enough to stay out of your line of sight once mounted. The whole process is pretty straightforward, even for someone who's never installed a dashcam before. To sum it all up, the Tuisau J10 3-channel dashcam packs premium features into an accessible package. With 4K video, app control, night vision, parking surveillance, and real-time Wi-Fi management, it's hard to beat for the price. Whether you're on long drives or just heading to the store, this little device might be the best co-pilot you've ever had. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real product reviews, and drop a comment if you want us to test something specific. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.